How to enable Spotify lossless audio on PC. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Spotify on your PC and make sure that you have Spotify Premium, otherwise this will not work. So after opening up the Spotify Premium, just open up the settings of Spotify, and it depends whether you are on Mac or Windows. Just simply open up the settings of Spotify, and here under the settings you would be able to find this option of audio quality, and here under the streaming quality simply select it, and here you would get lossless audio if you have Spotify Premium, and this way you can simply select it and turn it on. Make sure that you have also selected the lossless on the download section, and here you would get the lossless as well. If it is not there, simply clear up the cache memory and you would see the lossless option, and this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.